Otter AI works seamlessly with Google Meet to provide real-time transcription and automated notes. Here is how to set it up in just a few clicks. First, open Otter.ai in your browser and log into your account. In a new tab, head to Google Meet and click New Meeting, then select Start an Instant Meeting. Ensure your microphone is active so Otter can pick up the audio. Copy the meeting link from the bottom left corner, then go back to the Otter AI page, paste the URL, and click Record. Return to your Google Meet call. You'll see a notification to admit a guest. This is your Otter Notetaker. Click Admit to allow it to join the session and start transcribing. Now, in your Otter tab, you can watch the live transcript as it happens. Otter even captures slide updates every 10 seconds so you don't miss any important visual details from the presentation. When you're finished, click Stop Notetaker and confirm the prompt to end the recording. Your meeting will be saved automatically to your My Conversations history on the homepage. Open the transcript anytime to review the full summary. You can even click on any specific line of text to hear the original recording for that exact moment, making it easy to double-check your notes. That's Otter AI for Google Meet. Effortless, automated notes for every call, saved and searchable whenever you need them. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.